You know, king, babe, whatever. We're queens. I'm fine with being a woman and being a queen and being successful. And one big part of that is repeat after me. Aim high.
Aim high.
Shoot far.
Shoot far.
Aim for the moon.
Aim for the moon.
If you miss, you'll hit a star.
If you miss, you'll hit a star.
Now I love that as I consider that kind of like my anthem in a sense, because I just always, sometimes you go through things and you think that you're not going to make it, you think that you're not successful. You might be a princess trying to become a queen and you have all these people bent on conquering your kingdom. Get me? That's a really nice analogy, right? All these people trying to conquer your kingdom and it just seems like really bleak, but you have to always try to keep aiming high. So let's try it one more time. Aim high.
Aim high.
Shoot far.
Shoot far.
Aim for the moon.
Aim for the moon.
If you miss, you'll hit a star.
If you miss, you'll hit a star.
It goes like this. You guys remember that because I'm going to need you guys to come back in first a little bit, okay? It goes like this. Aim high, shoot far, aim for the moon. If you miss, you'll hit a star. Aim high, shoot far, aim for the moon. If you miss, you'll hit a star. See, it's easy to want things than to get them. Most people have dreams but never manifest them. Pressure makes diamonds. You have to mind if you want to come out shining. Dreams mean nothing if they leave with eyelids flutter open. Empires were built from just wishing and hoping. Doors will always open. Opportunities may pass. Ships may sail, but you have control of the mast. And this is your sea, your sky, your destiny. Let no one break your concentration. If they got that tunnel vision, let them stay in their mental train stations. Because success is a journey. It's not a destination. You need to have that patience, that drive to make your passions come alive. You alone can decide how far you will go. God gave you his divine ability. Believe in speaking into being. See before actually seeing. Give your life meaning. As you attain what you envision, keep on dreaming. Don't ever let it die. Don't be the eagle that never knew he could fly. As you attain what you envision, keep on dreaming. Don't ever let it die. Don't be the eagle that never knew he could fly. Say, aim high.
Aim high.
Shoot far.
Shoot far.
Aim for the moon.
Aim for the moon.
If you miss, you'll hit a star.
If you miss, you'll hit a star.
And I apologize for making it sound painless. It's a long process, I must confess. You don't know what faith is. You give something your all without a sign of the next step, the next nap, the next check, the next meal. No indication of a record deal. I know how it feels to struggle, life's troubles, feeling stuck, feeling like a Mini Cooper up against an armored truck. When problems pile in your life, it makes it easier to climb. When you conquer them, you'll be standing high. I know so many people failed because they failed to realize how close they were to success. When they decided to no longer try, our ancestors died, and many of our parents gave their lives to making sure we had the means to become anything we dared to dream. Nothing worth having comes easy. That's why the road to the top can be so lonely, but it's only temporary, because success is never ending, failure is never final. You got something inside you that's special. Don't ever let it die. Don't be the eagle that never knew that he could fly. Let me hear you say it one more time. Aim high.
Aim high.
Shoot far.
Shoot far.
Aim for the moon.
Aim for the moon.
If you miss, you'll hit a star.
If you miss, you'll hit a star.
Aim high, shoot far. Aim for the moon. If you miss, you'll hit a star. But if you ain't moving mountains, you better kick rocks. Rocking from the south to the Brooklyn blocks. Just remember the trap, we got it locked. You ain't in this constellation, no conversation. My head's a little puffy, can't lock up my shine. Can't deny what I do is to be divine. I'm about my business. You can't compete. Even my teeth got my work ethic. They grind in my sleep. I'm a flawed individual, flesh, bat, and spiritual. Trying to speak miracles and limited funds. Been working till the moon becomes the sun. Building like a carpenter, we've only just begun. Yo, record label said I wasn't cute enough. My national success wasn't proof enough. So they signed a model chick, and you know she got knocked up and called off all the shows. It's hard to see folk with less talent than you. They're making bigger moves with the massive coup, but this ain't show and tell. This is show and prove. Yo, I'm proof. Nothing's ever handed to you. I've been missing birthdays and family events because your out of town show got to pay your rent. Before you got a check, it's already spent. My lupus flared up. My mom's a cancer patient. She was a cancer patient. And bad things happen. It's how it works out, but applause is the closest thing you get to a handout. It's about putting fate into your own hands, manifest in God's hands. So y'all, aim high.
Aim high.
Shoot far.
Shoot far.
We hear you, aim for the moon.
Aim for the moon.
If I miss, I'ma hit a star.
If I miss, I'ma hit a star.
All right, you guys, so we're gonna get into this show. Thank you so much. Awesome. So I want to introduce you the person that put this all together, the person that called me up and said, no, oh my gosh, I'm going to do this amazing conference, and I want you to be a part of it. And the more she talked about it, the more I realized, first of all, how passionate she is about what she's doing here. She's very passionate about empowering young people, and she's also just a really, really just passionate person in general. For those of you that know her, I'm not lying, right? She's just very excited about being able to share this with you, and I want to make sure I read her bio for you all so you know who we're talking about, okay? Because she's, this is her baby, and you guys are all going to be, she's going to consider you some of her babies as well. But Regine is Roy. She's